Hello everyone. Hello. If you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My people, I just come across one video when they talk about this scammy things when girls guys go dey call girl when you never see am face to face, you know. He go call am, then from there then the boy go come scam the girl, they lie to am, you know. I not really like when I see the video, I say what? So you mean say our girls fit still fall for this kind thing? You know, this is scamming things now, my people. So when I see him, I say no man stroke match for this thing because I not really, I don't know say people see they wey be say they see the mumu like this, you know, for this time wey we dey so na girl go carry money give man wey they never see face to face. He never see, he never even know whether they go even see. Guy go just call you for, you go say they live for America, he go call you, they speak with you, you never see am o, you don't know am before. He go come call you for video, you go dey happy, you don't see big guy. Then he go come lie to you, say na so your mama no well, you no fit send money, abeg me you help am for man wey you never see. That is my people. And so our mumu can't just reach like that. We be say sense not going to deal with some women again. That is, I don't understand. How you go send money go give guy where you never see face to face? What to make you think say una go see? You can't send money. I first see one guy talk for Facebook that time, say the guest carry money go give the grandmother wey say they kidnap her, I don't know. From there now you begin the next thing when you give them the money finish, the boy not call you again, the nobody call you again, you can't like nah, you say me they help you draw the money, all those things. That is I don't understand. You give guy money when you never see face to face. The one what they see, you see the ad talk less of the one what they not just see at all. My people, when una go learn so you not gonna get who they suffer for your family where you go help. A girl where you never see, now you will go they give money. Person where you never see face to face, where you never even know go even see, you just carry money go give them. My people, I beg. How una look this kind of matter? Okay, see another one again. He say this guy with the art film. One tall guy whether they call whether not Fred, I don't know the guy. He cute where he tall. You don't say guess not they use eye they see all those kind cute guys now. You can't begin the right time. You can't begin the right time, everything that they talk, you know. The guy can't tell you give him money first. You can't really carry money. Yeah? And if now a girl like you ask you money now, you don't go give him. If now a girl like you tell you now, say I beg my friend, I beg borrow me money first, you don't go give him. But if man just ask you now, man will never see because you know say na at all. This kind of guy, you go good well, you know. Now you carry money, go give him. You give him finish, you can't they cry for social media, make they help you draw the money. Now they want to help you draw the money. Then you even call them before you give the guy the money. You call anybody? No. You just carry money. Go they give guy where you never see, where you not even know whether una go even see. My people. You know the one way they pay me pass. Our Edo women. Now they can't form go pass for this kind of thing. Our Edo women. They do now. They do now. Guy where you never see. See the other one when I see when I see. He say, this one get husband oh. He with your husband dey carry money. Go give guy for Facebook. They say your husband not even know all those things when she they even they do so. Your husband not even know. Carry money. Go give guy when they never see. That is my people. Now so mumu can just that is I don't understand. That now don't be mugu for guy ma shop. A guy where you never see, you carry money go give him a mama because tell you say mama no where you can't dey feel for am. What you come how you want to draw that kind of money? I mean no understand. How you want to draw? Person where you don't know. You know the pick your call again now. How you want to draw that money? Wait till one thing when una no understand be say that those people when they do all those scamming things, they know they put their picture. Who don't understand that they put their picture? Who do they say that they put picture? Who tell you now? For where? Where you want for see picture? They know they put their picture. They will put another person picture. And una go dey say na that person because they watch one live video when the woman they say na lie. Say that they put their picture. Why scam go put a picture? I want scam person now. I'll go put my picture. If I put my picture, you go know me now. Who does that? They say they talk and this woman they say na lie. Say that they put picture. I never see where scammer they put picture for Facebook. Oh. You go put picture. You go put another person picture so that me you not feel locate am. Okay, one man whether they draw about now maybe they not be the man. And you get the way that they do and they go put the person picture. They go to tell you for video. You go to say na him. Abuna never know. You go to say na the person that you dey talk to. You don't know it's not being you dey talk to. Now another person you dey talk to. Really? They do one. All those scammer. How can somebody go put a picture? They talk and the woman they say na lie. If they possible, they put their scammer go put a picture. I never heard that one before. Because me know say these scammer people so they can never put their picture. Even all those actors where they use. All those them Michael Zwonye, all those people so the lot of people their picture until they do scammer now. Do you understand? They can never put their picture. Me never hear that before. If they talk and though they say na lie, say that they put their scammer. I want scam person. I want to person 419. I can't put my picture. Me I never see that kind of thing before. And so don't want to carry money, go give the guy. Today now, they draw money now. Who you want draw? Now shadow I don't understand. Person where you don't know before. How can the person when me don't know could just write me? They can't tell me say me can't give them money. Can't they find one lie to me? I'm not just saying that anybody go feel scam me. Maybe if they can't life again. Because I want to draw that kind of money. Who I want draw? I want to cry that kind of cry come out. She not going to let me talk and come out safe. I go also feel they die in silence for hours there. Because I'm use my heart to find problem for myself. You understand? Okay, this man with the drag in now, they say na America, na the man they. For me, I believe say the man not even know one or two for this thing now. And people they use the picture, people they use the name, and they happen. Because that man not fit just put a picture till they scam and they popular way. Na big person. So I wanna believe say that kind of man now go come carry a picture till they scam people. People, me I not believe that thing. No. Say the man really they scam people. I believe say now people they use a picture till they do that thing. And what me believe. And again one time when I watch this pastor TB Joshua, when one guy come confess saying they use TB Joshua picture till they scam people, and they talk like TB Joshua, everything he practice am. Then they practice am now. They talk like TB Joshua. Who seen I go this na TB Joshua? And not be TB Joshua. They get the way that they do their things, and they get different SIM card that they use. They get America, they get Italian, they get German, they get different card that they use. They not able to travel. They just did their house, then they do this scamming. Everything have been na Yahoo now. If you tell they say na lie, say na it's not possible. How can a scammer go bring you real face come out? So I don't see that kind of thing before. Even those people they do this Yahoo, not person picture that they use. Now that they use now. Even these all those girls will be say that they use. They say they call them, they come and marry all those things. Now there's somebody picture that they use too. They not use their real picture. It's not possible. So you want to play person for one day. If my people, if I lie, I be more na write am for the comment section for down below, please, so that make I see una comment. Man, see wetin you think for this matter, this scamming business. So if I dey lie, my people, make una write una own. Man, see una comment too, whether na me na no con know wetin I dey talk about. How scammer go take put a real picture for a profile, take this, you go even put him mother-in-law, put everybody. Me, I never see that kind of thing before. I never see where that kind of thing for the happen. So if you, when they watch me now, think say I dey lie, leave your comment so that make Lady J see your comment. So thank you everybody, and take care until I come your way next time. I remain Lady J. Take care and bye.